Let's start with probably the most common thing you're going to want to do, which is to create a new meeting that people can join. I just click on the new meeting button and it pops up this window that shows my camera and my microphone. And so I can click to select the microphone that I want to use and the camera that I want as well. And once you're happy with everything set up here as you need it, you can click start. And that creates your meeting that looks something like this. Now, right now you can just see your own video on there because there's no one else in the meeting. But the first thing you probably want to do is invite some participants. So at the bottom of the screen, we've got the button that says participants. If I click on here, it will show me the list on the right-hand side. And at the bottom of that list, I can see there's a button to invite. So if I click invite, I then get the option to find people from my contacts, or I can choose email and literally send an email. The other thing I can do is either copy the invite link at the bottom or the whole invitation text, and then I could paste that into a text message or an email myself or wherever it needed to be in order to allow people to come into the meeting.